Work done. If we want to push this box along the floor, the force of friction will act against us. We will need to use energy to overcome that friction. The further we push the box across the floor, more friction will act against us. Therefore, the greater the distance the force is applied across, the more energy is needed. More work is done. Work is the energy transferred when moving against a force. The greater the distance, the more energy required. Let's look at a question. Two people helped move a large rock. Both people provided the same force while moving the rock. The first person moved it 10 meters, the second person then moved it 15 meters. Identify which person did the most work. The greater the distance a force is applied, the more work is done. Therefore, the second person did the most work as they applied the same force over 5 more meters when compared to the first person. Let's look at another question. Two shopping trolleys were pushed over the same distance. One trolley required more force to move than the other. Which trolley requires more work to move? The larger the applied force, the more work is done over the same distance. Therefore, the first trolley that needed double the force to move requires the most work to move over the same distance. Summary. Work done is the energy transferred when moving against a force. The greater the distance the force is applied across, the more energy is needed, more work is done. The larger the applied force, the more work is done over a distance.